Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Vizo Lite app from the Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now, in the search bar, type Vizo Lite and look for the official app in the results. Make sure you check the app name, icon, and developer details so you select the correct one. Next, tap on the Vizo Lite app from the list. On the app page, you can scroll down to see ratings, reviews, and screenshots to understand its features before installing. After that, tap on Install and wait for the download to complete. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the installation finishes without interruption. Once the installation is done, tap on Open to launch the app. Vizo Lite is a user-friendly video editor designed for quick edits and effortless organization. It focuses on two main things: giving you precise control over video length and helping you manage your video library in an easy way. Now you're ready to start using the app for editing and organizing your videos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.